vlog on the tide is all mine, oh mine. The vlog on the tide is all mine. The vlog on the tide is all mine, oh mine. The vlog on the tide is all mine.
Welcome to Teesside Airshow. We are here at Teesside Airport for my very first ever airshow. It is a little bit windy, so I apologise for that.
It's very windy.
Yeah, well, very windy actually. It's going to be fun watching the planes do sideways landings. We're in front of a jet. That's cool. There's lots of stuff here. There's a motorbike stunt show, fairground, food village, red arrows, lots of planes. What are you most looking forward to?
All of it.
All of it. I'm looking forward
What
to
about you?
Food village.
Sounds about right.
Let's check out some planes and some classic cars and all sorts of stuff. Ollie, there's a little guy flying that one.
Oh yeah, it's very windy, isn't it?
Would you like one of them to play with at home?
What if it was electronic, maybe, yeah.
I'm going to turn it, that's it. That's it. Oh, very good. That's it, put it up. Up, 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 up. Oh, pull down even. Down. Oh, there we go.
Did you crash?
I'll blame the instructor for that. Yeah, that was me. That was me saying up. Yeah, there we go. Right, ready? Right, you go.
I thought you were an expert at drone flying, guys.
Right, one last time, okay?
How's your pizza for breakfast?
Warm.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine, it's nice.
Nice. There's lots of food and rides. You gonna go on the waltzer with us?
No, not unless you want us to be sick.
Guys, did you see plane?
That was riveting.
Are the red arrows coming in?
Don't look yet.
They're coming from
That way.
that way. That's what he said, yeah?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, you can see them now to the east of the airport. And here they come, the arrow formation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Royal Air Force aerobatic team, the red arrows. Red 1, red 2, red 3, red 4, red 5, red 6, red 7, red 8, and red 9. I'm not sure whether they've actually changed base yet. They are supposed to be moving from Scampton to Coningsby. So I'm not sure exactly where they come from today.
We've figured out which way that way was. They've got a show later on which we're going to check out, but that was nice to see them land and fly past. First, we need some chicken. Should I get some poutine? Apparently this is poutine.
It's cheese gravy.
And I went for like a Cheeto crumb cheesy rider burger.
That's what you had last time.
I think so.
Yeah.
Smells nice. Let's give this a try. The bun's really soft and fluffy. I like the melty cheese. Really nice and hot. But we need to see some more planes and maybe go on some rides. Yeah.
both hands on the handrails. Do not touch the moving stairs.
Go on, Ollie. Go on. You having fun?
Yes, thank you. You?
Yeah? You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ollie's on the stairs still, I think.
He's there now.
Oh, he's up there. Well done. Got you. What happened to the slide, guys?
Yeah, I think we're down the slide.
Your son's braver than you. On you, Ollie. Ollie.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Good, wasn't it?
Go, go, go! Go on, Dad, go on, Dad! Yes, yes, no! Sugar. That, ladies and gentlemen, in the world of professional motorcycle stunt shows, is a cockle. Yes! Here we go. Jack's done it, and he's rocking over, and he's done it for another. Yes, 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 yes. Beautifully done. He likes it, he likes it. Yeah, and there you have it. Here we go. Absolutely perfect. Bang on, ladies and gentlemen. Look, get bullet there. Oh, we might win then. Right, JC, you don't need any help at all. Or maybe. Are you helping at all? Last thing JC's going to do, and then we'll leave you to the air display. So, give him a nice big cheer, folks. Let's hit it for him. Oh, that was close to not getting up. But he got up. Let's hit it for that prize.
The end of the motorcycle stump bit was pretty cool, but the Spitfires, they interrupted it. That was the Spitfire and a Hurricane, and really impressive to see them flying. We're obviously here for the main event though of the Red Arrows, and I think that's who we're going to see next. The Spitfire and the Hurricane doing those rolls. Really good. I think they're how old are those planes? Very old. Let's check out the Red Arrows. I'm a little bit out of breath because going over the fields, it's very bumpy on the wheelchair to get Caroline to the toilet. But yeah, it's tough going if you're in a wheelchair on these fields. But still a lot of fun. Really good. Some good food there, some good rides, but we're here for the air show. It's nice to see all the little fire trucks and buses and all the other planes and stuff dotted around as well. But yes, Red Arrows. You excited, Ange?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's a bit I've been looking forward to all day.
The Red Arrows.
I might say that, but I can't.
You excited, Ollie? Yeah. Yeah? Excited? Yeah. Yeah?
Red one this year is squadron leader Tom Bode. He's in the second year as the team leader, having previously been synchro lead in 2017. Teesside, this is 7 Arrows. To the right of Red one is Red 2, Mike Curtis June Roberts. He was in his first year on the team. He's opposite number on the left-hand side of the team is Red 3, Brighton Patrick Kershaw, known as Paddy. On the extreme right of the formation is Red 4, squad leader John Bond. Bond is in his 5th year on the team, having previously been the synchro lead. He is a previously qualified flying instructor on the Tucano. This is the Phoenix Roll. And that's formation roll, you can see that iconic hawk shape. The hawk has been with the Air Force since 1976. And I joined the Royal Air Force Aerobatic in Red Arrows in 1979. to the right hand side. Red 5 and 4 change their smoke. Red 5 smoking red is Flight Lieutenant Dave Simmons. Simone has previously flown the Tornado. He's flown the Higher and the FR while on exchange. Not the name for equal. Cross in the middle. The ball rolls off coming on in boomerang. The blue break for power rolls around break 2 and 3. One of the hardest maneuvers before the new pilots to master. This is rollback. Roll go course, the red 7 rolls around the smoke off red 6, smoke in red, white and blue. Red 7 is Flight Lieutenant James Turner. Roll tight clear operationally and the qualifying flying is good red. The red smoke comes on and the synchro pair split for the rolling half. The red arrows like to dedicate today's rolling half to a very special little girl, Poppy Gardner. Her father is one of our mechanical transport drivers who's been away on operations for the last 6 months and is home next week. We hope you're reunited with your daddy very soon, Poppy. Together for the Red Arrows! Big cheer, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for the Red Arrows!
Do you like the Red Arrows?
Love them as usual. They're really good. Really good.
First time I've ever seen a proper display by them. Really good.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right.
I was really impressed, especially when they got really close doing the like twisty bits when they flew towards each other.
The twisty bits.
Twisty bits.
You mean when we're doing the like rolls and things?
Yeah. It's been a nice fun day.
It has.
Yeah.
Even with the wind, it's been nice.
It is. Such a kid, and what did you go for? A Ripple?
Well, a nice colourful ice cream.
Nothing wrong with that?
Not like a child.
Very blue.
They're crazy. Very crazy.
Oh my goodness, he's just fallen.
bonkers.
Rotated in the spin easily. And try anyway, sideways, backwards, whichever way you want. Come on, Peter, do the hands off bit. There he is. Wave to him, ladies and gentlemen. Wave to him. We can all see. Look, both hands off the controls there as he's waving. Give him a wave, boys and girls. Flat out now. Look, 40 mile an hour. Bring up. See the wind. Look, more crazy flying. Spins it around. Are you sure you would like to do that, Julie? No. Down. Engine on again. Full power. And off she goes. So it was fully controlling descent, even with the engine off.
They're just batshit.
You're talking when I hadn't even got the camera on.
Well, crazy helicopter. There's some parachutes coming next. That'll be fun in the wind.
What did you think of the helicopter?
Thought it was a bit mad, but also it looked a lot of fun.
Well,
And if it was two-person, I'd go up there and have a go.
mind you, you've got to be crazy to do some of the manoeuvres they do.
Yeah.
Or definitely have a death wish or something.
And that's that. We're back in the car where it's a bit warmer and not windy. Although we've both caught the sun a little bit.
We both have caught the sun.
That was fun. I would say my favourite display was the crazy people, the crazy pilots.
The
with the two of them.
pilots.
I don't know what the planes were, but they were the two crazy ones. Although the helicopter was pretty cool. Then I'd probably say the Red Arrows and then the Typhoon. That Typhoon was loud and pretty cool. What about you?
I enjoyed them all.
Yeah. It's good fun.
But you've got to be a bit of a daredevil to do what they were doing.
Absolutely. I've never done an air show before, but that was good fun, and was not as crowded as I was expecting it to be.
It was busier than what I thought it was going to be. Because
Yeah.
I think my brain's still thinking COVID-esque.
Well, judging by the pictures I've seen of Sunderland Air Show, which is always just people are just non-stop. That was quite well done, I thought, and lots of good stuff, rides, things to see, cars to see of all different descriptions, old vehicles, planes, all sorts going on there. So that was good fun. I enjoyed that. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Keep making memories.
Catch you later.
The blog on the tide is on